Let's find all solutions of the equation in the interval 0 to 2 pi for 30 sine squared equals 30 plus 15 cosine x. We're going to replace sine squared with 1 minus cosine squared. And the way you get that is because sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. Therefore, sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared. So we're going to replace this sine squared with that. Okay, next thing, we're going to distribute the 30 to both the 1 and the negative cosine squared. The 30s are going to cancel, and I'm going to move the negative 30 cosine squared to the right. So I'm going to have 30 cosine squared plus 15 cosine is equal to 0. Let's pull out a common factor, so they both have a factor of 15 and cosine. So we're left with 2 cosine plus 1. Okay. At this point, we want to set each factor equal to 0. I can choose to divide the 15, so I can ignore that. So really, we want cosine to be 0 and 2 cosine plus 1 to be 0. It would help to draw the unit circle. Cosine is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. And here we'll solve for cosine to be negative 1/2. Cosine is negative both in the second and the third quadrant. So that would be 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So these four are our answers.